Hey Click Designers! In this video, I'll show you a cool new feature here on ClickDesigns Plus called Publishing. This allows you to create covers for Kindle Direct Publishing so that your ebooks could be readily available on Amazon to Kindle readers. Let's get started! First of all, click on Start from Scratch. And then right after that, type in a design name. So here, I'm just going to type HC because I want to make a hardcover design. And then right after that, click on Publishing, then click on Continue. Here, I'm going to select Books, and then under Books, I'm going to select Hardcover because that's what I want to start off with. So we have here Books, Hardcover, the interior type, we want it black and white, and then the paper type, we want it colored white. For the trim size, I'm going to choose 6x9 because that's the standard trim size for hardcovers. And then for the page count, I'm going to type in 200. Right after that, I'm going to click on Continue. Let me minimize this canvas. So here it says, please ensure your text is inside the red dotted area because the red dotted area is going to be our trim space, or basically where you could only add your images or your backgrounds. So now I'm going to create my Kindle eCover design. The white part here is actually for your barcode, so you could ignore that. Now I'm going to choose a background. First, maybe I'm just going to choose a white background for the meantime so that I could work with something. Right after that, I'm going to click on Image AI, and then I'm going to type in a prompt for the book cover that I would like. So this is the prompt that I've typed. Give me a stunning book cover image that can represent my book about love, crime, and mystery. Make it eye-catching and realistic. I'm not going to choose any style, and then I'm going to choose a vertical aspect ratio. Then I'm going to click on Generate Image. Now I have some images that came up right here, and I will choose one that I like, probably this one. This girl right here. Then right after that, I'm going to click on Pro Image Editor, and I'm going to click on Remove Object. I am going to remove the text right here because I would like the text to be my own text or my own title. I'll click on Done. And then I'm going to crop her a little bit. There. Then I'm going to stretch her again. Then I'm going to select a background. So now for my background, I'm just going to select probably black because I want it to be mysterious. Then I'm just going to stretch her a little bit there, and then I can add my text. Now I'm going to add a title and tagline for our book. I'm just going to click on Open Text AI Writer. I typed in the product name, which is She Killed for Love, and then the description is Love, Crime, and Mystery Book. The headline could be also She Killed for Love, and then keywords, and then under this drop-down arrow, I just click on I wanted a tagline, and then I wanted a headline, and then probably a paragraph. And then all I have to do is click on Generate AI Text so that it could give me something right here. So now I have a headline and also a tagline, and then something here like a summary, and then a paragraph as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a title, which is She Killed for Love, and then I'm going to have my tagline, Uncover the Dark Secrets. Now I'm going to add a new text layer for the back of my book cover. So what I'm going to do is I'll click on Add New Text Layer, and then I'm going to make it white so that I could see it. I'll make the font a little bit smaller, and then I'm going to paste the edited text that I have generated from our text generator earlier. So now that I've pasted my copy, and what I did was I just duplicated some text layers just so that you guys could see the example. Now I'm going to add a new background. For this, I'm going to use Image AI again, and then I'm going to click on Edit Description. So this is my prompt. Give me a black background that shows fire and flames, no style, and then vertical. Then I'm just going to select Generate Image. And there you go. I have this one. I'm going to click on that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it first. There. And then I'm going to click on Send Backwards. Okay, so I guess we're done here. All I need to do is click on save. Once all the changes have been saved, I'm going to click on export. I'm going to click on PDF, and then I'm going to export this book cover into my local drive. Now that our PDF has downloaded, let's take a look at it. This is the final output of our book cover that we have generated from ClickDesigns Plus Publishing that we could use for Kindle Direct Publishing as well. All you have to do is upload this PDF file as a hardcover design. Now we are going to create a paperback version. All we have to do is click on Start from Scratch, type in PB for paperback, and then click on Publishing. Right after that, click on Continue. And then here we are going to select Books. We are going to click on Paperback, and then we are going to select 5x8 for the trim size, and then 200. Then we click on Continue. So there we have our trim size again right here in the red dotted line. Just for this demonstration, I'm just going to select the design that I've created earlier under Publishing. All I'm going to do is hover down to Publishing and then click on Use. And then I'm just going to adjust and make sure that everything is on the red dotted line and not exceeding. So let me just make things a little bit smaller. Okay, so I guess it fits well. I mean, we could always adjust it, but that's the idea. Then right after that, I'm going to click on Save. And after saving, I can export it to my local drive. Now that it's done saving, I'm going to click on Export. I'm going to select PDF, and then I'm going to click on the Export button so that it could save the PDF file of this e-cover that we've designed into my computer. So now this is our paperback cover that we've created using ClickDesigns Plus Publishing, and this is now ready for Kindle Direct Publishing.